Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mugi Hartoyo from Poltekkes Kemenkes Semarang. Thank you for joining my presentation. Today, I would like to describe my study regarding vaccination and the severity of COVID-19 patient. As we know that in the end of January 2020, WHO declared that the SARS-CoV-2 outbreak was a public health emergency of international concern. One of the efforts to reduce the risk of being infected with COVID-19 is the provision of vaccine to the community. However, previous studies have shown that some people who have been vaccinated still have confirmed COVID-19 with varying severity and symptoms. In Purbalingga Regency, Central Java, in the end of December 2021, there were 20,673 COVID-19 cases and 1,213 deaths. And the prevalence of death in Purbalingga is 6%, which is almost twice the national death rate. And this research goal is to determine the vaccination status, the severity of COVID-19 patient, and the correlation between vaccination status and the severity of COVID-19. Okay, the design of the study is a correlational analytic study and a retrospective cohort study. The sampling technique used is proportional random sampling, employed 92 respondents. And the vaccine status divided into 3: not vaccinated, first dose vaccinated, and complete dose vaccinated. It is based on CDC, and the severity of COVID-19 based on the NIH 2021. These are asymptomatic, mild symptom, moderate symptom, and severe or critical symptoms. For the test, we use Fisher-Exact test. The result shown that mostly respondents are male. It count for 53.3%, and the comorbid mostly HDM count for 30.4%. The result for vaccine status, there were 64 or 69.6% respondents had not been vaccinated. And the severity of COVID-19 patient, of 92 respondents, there were 59 patients with severe symptoms and only 7 patients with moderate symptoms. For the correlation between vaccine status and the severity, it is concluded that the result of Fisher-Exact test is the p-value count for 0.00. It is mean that there is correlation between vaccine status and the severity of COVID-19 patient. The study by Dyer 2020 argues that people who have not been vaccinated have an 11 times higher risk of being hospitalized than those who have received the first or second dose of vaccine. The body of a person who has been vaccinated will stimulate antibodies to learn and recognize the weakness virus. Thus, the body will be exposed to the virus and to reduce the risk of exposure, based on Ministry of Health of Republic of Indonesia 2021. The conclusion, based on the characteristic, most of the respondents are male over 50 years old, work as self-employed, and the most comorbid is DM. The vaccine status have not been vaccinated are 64 patients, and the severity of COVID-19 have severe symptom of illness are patients who have not been vaccinated. It counts for 54 people. And there is a correlation between vaccination status and the severity of COVID-19 with a p-value 0.000. And for the suggestion, based on the result of the study, it is recommended for people who have not been vaccinated to immediately vaccinate at the nearest vaccine service unit. And for health service providers, are expected to continue to provide education regarding invitation to participate in vaccine facilitated by the government. Okay, that's all. Thank you for joining this presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.